Suzhou Minosenko New Material Technology R&D Company, Ltd., referred to as Minosenko, is a factory, R&D center, production management of the trinity of comprehensive factory, as a professional chemical blowing agent, calcium and zinc stabilizer and special additives manufacturer. Minosenko adhere to the focus on customer concerns and challenges, provide competitive solutions and services, continue to create value for customers as the value of the company. There are 4 production lines in the production workshop, a weighing quality inspection system, an intelligent manipulator classification and stacking system. After the manipulator categorizing and stacking small materials on the tray, the automatic baler will wrap and pack them. During this period, the workers strictly abide by the rules of the workshop, take good protective measures, and work in an orderly manner. The warehouse uses a semi-automatic repository system, where workers use lift trucks to place the wrapped goods on the shelves, and then scan the code to input the goods information. Each row and each column of the shelves are numbered to facilitate subsequent shipment work. Minosenko has a complete research and development center to ensure that product characteristics meet customer requirements in all manufacturing processes and circulation processes before delivery. It mainly includes the following processes: sample analysis, melting point detection, physical experiment, finished product detection, etc. Trucks will arrive at the factory half an hour in advance, and workers will use forklifts to move the corresponding goods onto the trucks and put them neatly.